In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-notify team members in ClickUp. If you've ever struggled to keep your team informed about important updates or changes in your workflow, ClickUp's automation feature can be a real game changer. By setting up automated notifications, you ensure that everyone stays on the same page without needing to manually send reminders or updates. Whether you want these notifications to apply to a whole project, a specific folder, or even just a single list, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to decide at what level your automation should be applied. Think about how broadly you want your notifications to reach. Do you want them to apply to an entire space, which is like a large container for all your projects? Or maybe just a specific folder, or even a single list within that folder? Once you've made this decision, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, navigate to the space, folder, or list you've chosen in your ClickUp workspace. This is as simple as clicking through the left-hand navigation until you're in the right spot. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of your screen and click the Automate button. This is the button with the lightning bolt icon, so it's easy to spot. After clicking Automate, you'll see an option to add a new automation. Click the plus Add Automation button to begin creating your custom automation. This is where the magic really starts to happen. Next, you'll need to select a trigger. Triggers are the events that will kick off your automation. For example, you could choose a trigger like status changes. This means the automation will activate when a task status is updated, such as changing from in progress to complete. Choose the trigger that best suits your needs for this notification. Once you've selected a trigger, you have the option to add conditions to refine your automation. Think of these as filters that make the automation more specific. For example, you might want the automation to only apply when tasks are assigned to a particular teammate or when a task has a certain priority level. These conditions are optional, but they can help ensure that your notifications are as precise as possible. Now it's time to choose the action that your automation will perform. This is how your team will be notified. ClickUp offers several options here, like adding a comment to a task, sending an email, or even reassigning the task to someone else. Select the action that aligns with how you want your team to stay informed. Once you've chosen an action, you'll need to configure the details. For instance, if you've selected Add Comment, you can write the comment and use mentions to tag specific teammates. If you've chosen Send Email, you can specify the email recipients and craft the message. Take a moment to make sure all the details are correct before moving on. When everything looks good, click the Create button to finalize and activate your automation. With just one click, your new rule will go live, and ClickUp will start handling notifications for you automatically. If you ever need to make changes to your automation, you can return to the Automate area at any time. Here, you can edit the rule to adjust the trigger, conditions, or actions. You can even pause the automation if it's no longer needed. This flexibility ensures your workflows can adapt as your team's needs evolve. And that's it. By setting up automations in ClickUp, you'll save time, reduce manual work, and keep your team aligned. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start streamlining your projects today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.